Step inside a home where elegance meets comfort. Grand staircases, sunlit living spaces, a timeless kitchen, and serene bedrooms all blend classic architecture with modern design for a truly unforgettable feel. The foyer exudes elegance with a grand piano, glossy doors, and a sweeping staircase, while a chandelier, artwork, and arched windows balance refinement with warmth. A cozy sitting area beneath the stairs softens the space, leading into a gallery-like living area beyond. The living room combines arched windows, a Buddha wall piece, and modern seating, blending light, greenery, and eclectic decor with pops of color and sleek furniture for an airy, sophisticated feel. The library exudes stately warmth with wood paneling, a fireplace, and art-lined bookshelves, while the sunroom offers plush, light-filled comfort. The formal living room balances symmetry and sophistication with classic furnishings, built-ins, and an ornate plaster ceiling crowned by a delicate chandelier. The kitchen pairs timeless elegance with modern luxury, featuring white cabinetry, a dark island, brass accents, and a sleek black range. A marble-topped island with pendant lights offers a warm dining spot, while the open layout flows seamlessly into the breakfast nook. The breakfast nook features a cozy patterned banquette, dark wood table, modern lighting, and wall art, creating a cheerful spot for casual meals. The formal dining room features paneled walls, a glass-top table, and modern chairs softened by a gold chandelier, with tall windows and a golden ceiling adding grandeur and refinement. The spiral staircase with ornate ironwork and chandeliers creates a dramatic centerpiece, while the landing's artwork and natural light add elegance and refinement. The primary bedroom combines soft blue tones, a custom mural, and a sky-painted ceiling with a cozy sitting room featuring a fireplace and plush seating for a serene retreat. This classic bedroom features a navy bed, neutral tones, large windows, a soft rug, and a cozy window seat with built-in shelving for storage and reading. The bathroom's vintage charm shines through glossy pink tiles, a pedestal sink, and marble accents, with built-in shelving and white cabinetry, adding both function and timeless contrast. This bedroom pairs an ornate patterned bed with neutral tones, a detailed wardrobe, and natural light for a serene, stylish atmosphere. This bathroom features soft green tiles, a pedestal sink, and classic tub, blending practical details with vintage charm and a soothing, fresh feel. The hallway features a zebra-patterned bench, mirrored accents, artwork, and a statement light, creating a refined yet playful atmosphere. The twin bedroom combines neutral bedding with bold pillows and artwork, creating a cozy modern space ideal for guests or siblings.